here at LAX airport, where by next year all the terminals will be connected through the underground. Right now I'm here at Terminal 5 Delta. This is Terminal 4, and this goes to Terminals 6, and will soon all be connected. Let me show you the walkway to Terminal 4, American Airlines. Show you what it's like. So I'm going from Terminal 5 to Terminal 4. There's no moving walkways yet, but by next year there should be moving walkways since every terminal will be connected. So this goes to Terminal 4. Terminal 4. Straight ahead was arrivals, baggage claim, up the escalator. Oh, you can't? I'm gonna be late for my flight. So here you can go Terminal 5, Terminal 6, Terminal 7, Terminal 4. Check that out. So, the agent didn't like me skateboarding down here, but I'm gonna be late for my flight. So, what am I gonna do? As you can see, I'm accelerating pretty quickly. So now I'm going to Terminal 6, going from Terminal 4 to Terminal 5 to Terminal 6 to catch my flight at US Airways. And Terminal 6. Terminal 6. Now I'm going to Terminal 6. Paris. Now I'm here at Terminal 6 to catch my flight.